In previous video, I explained the long division method to find the square root of any number and some sums based on that method. Now, here more questions based on long division method. So, find least number subtracted from 7250 to make it perfect square. Subtracted. So, we will solve it with the long division method. Okay. So 8 8s are 64. 8 5 0 8 16 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 32, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 8. So the remainder is here we are getting 25. If this 25 is subtracted from this number, it will become a perfect square. So your question is, what is subtracted from this number? So our answer will be 25 is subtracted from 7250. It's our answer. Now, next example is find square root up to 3 places of decimal. Okay. So, 2. We will solve it with the long division method to find the square root of this. Now make pair. 1 1s are 1 0 0. Point is after 2, we will put point. 1 2. Now 4 4 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 9. 4, carry these 2 0. We will add 4, 28. Now 0, so 0. Now 400. Now carry more zeros plus 0 because we have taken 0 here. So again it is 280. Sorry, I have done wrong. I have to take here 1. So it is 281. 1. We will plus 1. So 2. Now 9. 1 and 1. Now carry 2 zeros. And again 4 4. So 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 9, 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11. Now subtract it. 4 0 6. Okay. So square root of 2 is 1.414. Okay, because we have to take up to 3 places of decimal. So under root of 2 is 1.414. Now 35. 35. 0 0 0 0 0 0. So 5 5s are 25, 10, 2 0, 5, 10. Point is here, so we will put point. Okay. Now 9. 9 9s are 81, 9 1s are 9. 000. Add 9, so 118. Same number I am adding. Okay. Now ones are, so 1181. Now subtract, so 9, 1 and 7. Again 2 zeros plus 1 here, so 2811. Okay. Now we will take 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 6 8s are 48, 49, 6 1s are 6, 10, carry 1, 6 1s are 6, 1, 7. Now subtract it. So square root of 35 is 5.916. Okay. So see how many digits we need after decimal. We will take that much of pair of zeros. Now next example is find least 4-digit number which is a perfect square. So least 4-digit number is 1000. Okay. So we will find out first square root of this number. So 3 3s are 9, 1 0 3 6. Now 1 1, so 61. Now 9 3 39. So 31 square is smaller than 1000 and 1032 square. So actually what is added to 4-digit number to make it a perfect square? So to get required number, square of 32, that is 1024 minus 1000. So we will get 24. If 24 is added to this number, it will become perfect square. So our answer is 24. Next question is find greatest 6-digit number which is a perfect square. So solution. So greatest 6-digit number is 999,999. Okay. We will take greatest 6-digit number. Now pair 9 9s are 81, 8 1 9 9, 9 18. Now we will take 9. 9 9s are 81, carry 8, 9 8s are 72, 80, 9 1s are 9, 17. Now 8 9 1. Now again we will carry 9 198. Now again we will take 9. 9 9s are 81, 9 8s are 72, 80, 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 8, 89, 9 1s are 9, 9, 17, 8, 9, 18 minus 9, 9, 8 minus 7, 1. So, our answer is 1998. If this number is subtracted from this number, it will become a perfect square. Next example is find the Pythagorean triplet if the smallest number is 8. Okay. So, Pythagorean triplet is triplet 2n, n square minus 1 and n square plus 1 where n is greater than 1. Okay. So 2n is given 8. Okay. So 2n equals to 8 means n equals to 8 upon 2 means 4. Okay. Now we have to find out n square minus 1. N square minus 1 means 4 square minus 1, 16 minus 1, so 15. Okay. Now next number is n square plus 1. So n square plus 1 means 4 square plus 1 means 16 plus 1, that is 17. So our answer will be 8, 15 and 17. Okay. So these three numbers are Pythagorean triplet. Now next question is find square of 32. Okay. And square of 46. So we can write this 32 as 30 plus 2 whole square. There is an identity a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You will read about it in next chapter, that is factorization. Okay. So this is an identity. Now we will put these value means 30 square, 2 square plus 2 into 30 into 2. 2, value of a is 30, b is 2. So 900 plus 4, square of 2 is 4 plus 120. Okay. So 4 to 10. So square of 32 is 1024. So it's our answer. Now next question is 46 whole square. So we can write it as 40 plus 6 whole square, even 50 minus 4 square. So I am doing it with 50 minus 4 whole square. Okay. So identity for a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 50 minus 4 whole square equals to 50 square plus 4 square minus 2 into 50 into 4. So 2500 plus 16 minus 400. Okay. So answer will be तो 2116. So its value is 2116.